spring roll is a popular food all over the world. To produce a great number of spring rolls, you must need a spring roll machine that can make a round and square-shaped spring roll. There's a control cabinet which can control the temperature and speed. The whole set of this machine includes the main unit, a conveyor belt, a fan, and a counter. The diameter of the spring roll can be customized from 50mm to 520mm. This machine can heat the spring rolls by electricity or gas. After that, the fan will cool the spring roll. Flour is blown onto the mold through the straw. The section has a sensor that can count the number of spring rolls. Square-shaped ones need blades cut where the round-shaped ones are not necessary. The spring roll is very thin but very strong, and it's not easy to break. Formula is provided if you need more information. Please click this website.